what I'm hearing is that you get to be the universe's favorite. No matter what you're doing, God is making sure now to get you to the best. It's like what used to affect you before has no impact on your life anymore. This is because you are vibrating love. This is because you are anchoring so much light. You vibrate at a certain frequency where negativity cannot stay longer around you. And this is your ultimate protection. Obviously, the love that you carry, is so strong right now. I'm really feeling that it was extremely difficult for the past few months because you were so close to achieve something big and you kept going through, you kept moving forward no matter what. It is beyond, because I am in front. The more I'm walking right now, the more I'm getting in front of some massive anchors. And at the beginning of this walk, I was just guided to record a video like that. Like, it's time to record, so I'm very obedient, and this is how I operate with God the Most High. I'm just very obedient. And so I pressed play and decided to record, and I felt this energy of grounding, and I ended up being here, close to massive anchor. And I just got big confirmation on my phone. This is big. This is huge. Like, you can see the size of them, and it's 4. And it brings me ultimately to the 4 of 1 is marriage, is grounding, it's stability, it's something that ultimates success. My God, you deserve this. You deserve this blessing. You deserve it so much. And I'm here today on your life to send you some codes to even more ground this new version of yourself, because that's the magic gift that is just unfolding within me, is helping you literally travel from one timeline to another one. I'm going to pick you and bring you to the right timeline. So close your eyes, please, and receive. Rayokona ata era anakatare eni iyo zoro umokotoro umono norowa atara anakasara e anana kotoro unuduwa anara anakatare eni siki anana a ara meka watere iya kotoro kuma zodoro kuma a zara enere e akatata arra anana atara e bikitiri kima kasinsko otoro kuma adara e anara e atara amakatara umokotutututu kuntututu kuma. This is very connected to your throat again. Dani karakon tokotorukma adare enne katra essenski irununu kuturukma adara innere. Wow. Some of you have in the heart space also difficulty to breathe correctly, and that's why maybe you have also difficulty to anchor yourself fully. I help you transmute what is affecting, I'm hearing, your heart space, your heart chakra. Yeah, it's getting very like difficult vibe to breathe. Freeing yourself, trusting that you deserve and everything that God has in store for you. And it's not because you're working hard, it is not because I'm hearing the pain that you're indulging to you. God wants the best for you. God wants you to be happy. God wants you to experience the quintessence, the joy, ultimate joy, harmony in your life, and God wants you to be happy. And you listen. You see, that was big. That was a big message. That was big vibration, big. God wants you to enjoy your life, and He's going to give you money and freedom to enjoy your life just because you're going to serve the world. You're serving the world. Oh my God, you see? You hear? Thank you, birds, for the confirmations. Blue avians are here. This is green parrots. Five on a timer. Believe me, this change. I'm touching my pineal gland. Big reset. I'm hearing. Improving your sleep, helping you staying away from archons, siphoning your energy, because that's why I'm tapping into a special soul right now. That's why you are experiencing a big level of anxiety. You are serving, I'm hearing, as a dinner for archons. Your energy is so pure, they just eat it. For this specific topic, you can check in my description box. I'm partnering with a very big healer that is removing any dark magic, any arcans, nanoplant, because we want you to shine bright, anchoring. And now we're going to literally anchor so much light to you. Nika azara anakatara amagara ikia nara atara kamagadarake asara umana tatataraya madadaraya naya suakara maya taria suma roko inaraya mara aya iya rakama amdara asurakuma atara anatataraya nanatataraya yanaya tatataraya anaya tatataraya anaya tatataraya nanatatatata. Grounding. Rakataramika si, andaraya si. May the Orus Ra I see Ikuru protect you now. Tiki rokoto. More anchoring this light into you. Oh my God, my crown is very tingly. Oh my God, you're going to receive a lot of light. Be careful always. To drink plenty of water and just to rest, because this is light. You are working with light, never forget. So you don't want to be burned by abusing too much light at once. Protect yourself. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. I'm offering a very powerful session to activate fully your soul. Be blessed, and until next time, namaste.